shouldn't put your hand up there because you're blocking the light. You should put your hand, hold it by the bottom. Yes, like that. Get as close as you can. Yeah. Don't let it. Keep it dead still. There she goes. Oh, that's better than me.
Snickerdoodle, what are you doing? Are you all done?
Do it again, do it again.
Yeah, do it again, do it again. Whee! That's like the 10th time in a row.
Look at her, she's crazy.
Snickerdoodle, Snickers.
Just keep it there until she does the flip. Hit it perfect. What the heck is she doing?
I don't know. Snickers. Do the flip because my hand's getting
I
tired.
know, right? Do the flip.
No, she,
Oh, there she
she goes
goes.
around in the corner and she's going to do it again.
Okay, honey. Honey.
She crazy. Well,